Hey everyone, today I'm going to tell you about the difference between mindfulness and meditation. Even though they both get used interchangeably, they are not the same. Mindfulness is paying attention to the present moment. It's not dwelling on what happened yesterday or the day before or a month ago, or it's also not being worried about what you have to do tomorrow or a month from now. It's being present. Mindful eating is a great example of mindfulness. Meditation, on the other hand, is a little bit more formal. While mindfulness is used throughout the day without having to find a minute here, 5 minutes here, or 30 minutes. Meditation, on the other hand, you usually find a place where you're not going to be disturbed. You're going to sit in a comfortable seated position, and you're going to have a set amount of time, maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, but it's a set amount of time where you're just doing meditation. Meditation and mindfulness have both been shown to help reduce anxiety. They've also both been shown to help mental health or mental well-being. For example, meditation has also shown to go a step further. It has been shown to show more awareness of oneself, more awareness of the world. It has been shown to different studies, let's just say. It has also shown positive effects on cardiovascular health. Meditation is also shown to help people sleep better. As you can see, they are both the same and different at the same time. This has just been the difference between mindfulness and meditation in a nutshell. So I hope this helps you, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you again. Bye.